So this morning we are going to be maybe attempting to change the serpentine belt on this 2014 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi in it. It's not much of a belt, and really it's got a tensioner on it. You just need a 3/8 and you can loosen it easy enough. 3/8 extension or 3/8 ratchet or a breaker bar. And I'm looking at it, and it's really not that much to it. You get the alternator on the top, then it goes over an idler, then the water pump on the left, and then it goes around another idler, which is the tensioner, and then over the crankshaft and back to the air conditioner. There's not much here, but the hard part, I think, is going to be, because I think it has to go over the fan. Sometimes they don't, but this one I think does. So I'm going to go get my new one and see what I need to do here. Now there's the part number, AutoZone Special. They had a coupon and a rebate, so this wasn't terribly expensive. It isn't much of a belt, and not much to it. Looks good. Seems to be about the right size. So try that. Alright, that's off of the tensioner. And it back wraps the tensioner, so that's not bad. And that is my fear, is it does have to go over the fan, which not to be too bad. We got it out. So it's really not in too bad a shape for 100,000 miles. Still has some of the original. That's a Mitsubishi belt. 6 PRK 1853. Huh. And that one says 6 PRK 1855. I would say they are equal. So we're going to try to see what it takes to get this thing back on. The first thing I need to do, I think, is to get it around the fan. There she is. Okay, it's around the fan, and then gotta get it around the crank and the air conditioner. And it can go around that, and then the fun part begins, because now you got to pull it around the water pump, and while keeping it still on the crank and everything else. And that this is where a third hand would come in handy. Try something here. Put it on the tensioner and try to get everything else still lined up. There she goes. And there she is. And that's how you do it. Put it on the tensioner first, leave it off the alternator, and then lift it onto the alternator as you're done. And that is it. Probably wasn't much of a video, but it's not terribly hard. But yeah, the key is put it on the alternator first. Put it on the tensioner first, get it all wrapped up from the bottom, make sure everything's good in the grooves, and then pull it up onto the alternator as your last hookup. So now we're gonna fire it up and throw it across the room, probably. Do the belt on a late model 5.7 Hemi.